Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. Back home finally from vacation. Had a great time. After scoring that case of ZQI last weekend, it got the gears is turning, so I got to check in the app, and man, I found 5.56 at a lot of stores, and there was one store on the way down in Macon, Georgia. So I strategically planned on us spending the night right near that store, and the next morning I went in and Flint scanned it, and I'm gonna add some footage and show you what I saw. Alright guys, it's showing they got some ZQI 5.56 in stock. I got a woman checking it out right now. Anyway, I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw that 63 in stock, but I got the woman that was a department manager in sporting goods to go look, and she came back with a box that had, well, I don't even remember now. It just seemed like it was 20. I think it was 23. Yeah, that's it. And so she turned around and went back. I figured there was a case sitting there somewhere, but when she come back, it was just another taped up box. I don't know why they had them taped up and stuck back in the corner somewhere, but it worked out good for me. They ended up actually having 65. So I couldn't leave them behind. I had to get them all. Here's the tag. And for some reason, she couldn't ring them all up as one item. She had to do each one. There's a total. 9/18 on June 1st. Thought that was a pretty sweet score. When I got to Orlando, I noticed there was a store about 5 miles from where I was staying that was lit up for the ZQI. So I went down there and walked in, looked at the shelf, nothing there. So then I did a Flint scan. I'm going to show you that. After I saw that, I had a guy that was in the paint department call the manager, and finally the manager come over, and I gave him the barcode, and he went back in the back and opened and locked his door back by the tire center, and he dug around for about 10 minutes and came out with them. There was 29, just like the scan said. These are the newer green box. There's the tag. $7.39 on June 4th. So guys, there's still a bunch of that ZQI out there. There was 3 stores lit up in Atlanta, but I didn't have time to stop. So if you guys are looking for some, if you get out and stomp the ground, beat the bushes, I think you can find you some. I just want to shout out to all the new subscribers I'm getting. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep trying to put out some good videos for y'all guys, and Appreciate everybody else watching. Buckbuster out.